Good morning, global friends. Today we have a hood LED strip installation. So as you can see, we have a Kia here. First step, this is the LED strip. Okay, the first step is to clean very well the place you're gonna put the light strip with some liquid. Second step, you have two double tape, so you can fit it very well. And about the input, we have a 12 volt input, the plus 12 volts. You must find the fuse you're gonna put it, for example, from the pumps, from the fuel, from the lights, or from the ignition coil. You can find the ignition coil and of course the negative to the negative pole of battery. And let's see the result. We have a very beautiful, fine red hood LED stripe that is already installed. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.